Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. This is Brad and we're back with the Reverb G2 controllers, which we have now officially solved what was wrong with one of them constantly claiming that it's dead. For starters, you'll recall these controllers, they weren't able to draw the same amount of power. Well, now they do. I'll give you a quick read. As you recall, 2.79, 2.79. The problem is solved, and the solution was simple. This may void your warranty because there was a warranty sticker I had to take off in order to look in here for you guys. Did it for the sake of YouTube, but look at this. Let's go ahead and get the camera to focus. Sorry about that. Right here, as you recall, when we were first booting it up, it would vibrate and the voltages would be the same. That's because that's this board right here getting its power from the batteries directly. However, once the power delivery was going on, moving on to those two boards, they weren't able to draw enough power through these connections. So what I had done, assumingly I unplugged this ribbon from both sides and plugged it back in. And I also unplugged this cable and plugged it back in after finding that this right here in the frame pinches the cable. Not sure if this always happens or if they've looked at that, but the cable is pinched right there. So it is a little hurt. But unplugging them and plugging them back in, both the cable and the ribbon, not sure which one was the problem because I did them simultaneously. But I checked before and I was having the low battery issue. I took it apart, got fed up, took it apart, unplugged these ribbon and connector and plugged them back in, and no more low battery issues. Both the controllers, all the boards on board are capable of drawing the full power out of those batteries, and they work. Try to, yeah, it's hard because they're flip-flopped, so ignore positive and negative. We're just gonna check that they are both 2.71 for the start, but we are then gonna power them up. Let's power the normal one first, and I'll show you what that's supposed to look like. There we go. And that's exactly what happens after it connects. Sits at around 0.56 to 0.57. Let's go to this one. Are you ready to see how much difference there is? Here it goes. It's about the same. It's about the same. Not anymore. And as for you battery critics out there, let's switch over to Duracell. Though I prefer Energizer. Let me show you that they are both at 2.86. And we will boot them up again. Same procedure. It's connected. It's also connected. See what I mean? There you have it, YouTube.